36 degrees, let's go get it. When you want to ride, you want to ride. I don't know how you northerners do this. 36 degrees. Lucky this is my dream bike, or I would not be riding today. Florida boy can't stand this 36 degree weather. These construction guys out here grinding every day. Huge shout out to them. We're going to be talking about the new helmet today, the Ruroc Atlas 2. I know you've heard of it. You've probably seen them. Oh, what is up, YouTube? Coming straight out the cul-de-sac. I don't want to say cul-de-sac. I don't know. That don't sound right. Coming straight out the cul-de-sac. Gotta wake up this neighborhood that's still getting built. All those people are like, Cameron, you suck. We have a little neighborhood Facebook group, and I was like, yo, if you ride, I'm ready when you are. It got like 6 likes, no comments, so no love, no love. I got the new Ruroc Atlas 2.0. I was rocking the second camera angle yesterday, but with this new chin mount, I want you to be able to see the ride and see this more than I want you to see this helmet. You guys know what this helmet looks like. I bought this thing with that little stock market crash that they were doing. I know if you've been on Instagram or Facebook, you've seen their ads. I've never seen a company promote as much as them, and to be honest with you, for this being their second motorcycle helmet, I'm scared to see what they would do in a couple years. But this thing is lightweight. I like the visor a lot. It's like, you've ever bought those polarized glasses, those expensive glasses when you're like fishing or whatever? That's what it looks like. So much clearer than my Icon visor. I got this thing when it was on sale for 400 bucks. I bought the Bluetooth audio pack. I think it got delayed because it didn't show up in my box. Yeah, I bought another visor. I think that's on back order as well. The only complaint that I have about this helmet is when I pulled it out of the package, the little black plastic part on the back that kind of gives it a little wing, that was off of the helmet, but I know it's cold. It probably just didn't stick appropriately. So I don't have a problem with that. Life happens, but I just don't want to do a daily 100 and it flies off. I'm gonna be kind of upset, but we'll see if it lasts. If that's my only problem with this helmet, I'm winning. Like I said in my last video, I was gonna buy an expensive Shark helmet, but I honestly think I'm just gonna run 2 of these, one for the BMW, one for the Gunner, for a newer company that came off of snowboard helmets. They did a good job. I'm no expert when it comes to this weather, how long it takes to warm up your tires, so we're going to be slightly safe today. Also coming off a fresh ticket, so you know that story. Got to be somewhat good on these back roads. Letting this full acro sing in the morning. My fender eliminator finally shipped from Futurist Moto. I've been waiting a long time for that. It's finally going to clean this bike up. I got these lever guards from Evotech. These things are sick, dude. Nice, solid. I don't know what I paid, 100 something. Everything on this bike, if you add something to it, just know it's 100, 200 bucks at least, minimum. I'm never getting rid of this bike unless I legally have to. It's sad that it comes to that. For their second motorcycle helmet, you can tell this company's on the rise. Their promotion's great, the price point's nice. But what I like about Ruroc is they're actually working with motovloggers as opposed to Icon. Icon just had their little motovlogging contest and they kind of made a joke of it. They sold so many variants from motovloggers, it's sickening. I didn't get paid to say any of this. Maybe one day I can get big enough and they send me 5, that'd be cool. I dig them. I'm ready for the Bluetooth headset. I'll keep you posted on that. This is only my second ride with it, and I can honestly say it is a buy. For 400, 500 bucks, go buy it. It is a buy. Man, that horse got a blankie. I need a blankie. We got those hand warmers on full blast right now. I'm trying to burn my hands through these gloves. I'll definitely be grabbing that camo Ruroc Atlas 2 for the Gunner. That thing would pair so nicely. I already have the gold visor. I think I have the red one on the way. I don't remember the other one that I ordered. I think it was red. I think I did red, gold, and that Bluetooth setup. The camo is gonna look so sick with the Gunner.